Yes, finally, big announcement. The Paulk Total Station 2 plans are done. They are in the store, ready for you to purchase and download immediately. Now, the original Paulk Total Station plans are still there, so pay attention to that. These plans are very different, and we're going to continue to offer both and support both. This one's a little shorter, a little narrower, because it's built all metric on the 32mm system for accuracy. So the plans are only in metric, again, for accuracy. This one also does not support the table saw the way the Paulk Total Station does. Again, because I've gone to bigger saws and they're just too heavy to lift, so I'm using the stands that they come with. So there'll be lots and lots of videos about this, and hopefully when I get a chance, I'll finish up the build series. But I just wanted to make a quick note and let you know, for all of those that have been waiting, they are ready for you now. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.